Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Park the Tundra on level ground, turn the engine off and set the parking brake. Safety first. Open the doors and lower the window nearest the antenna so you have clear access. Gather a 6mm socket or wrench, the replacement antenna compatible with Toyota Tundra, a soft towel to protect paint, and a small container for hardware. Wear gloves and eye protection. Keep your phone handy for reference photos. Allow 10 minutes to warm up your workspace and collect parts before starting the swap. Fold the antenna down if it is a folding type, or unscrew the mast by hand if it is a screw-in type. Hold the base to prevent twisting paint. Carefully remove any plastic trim or rubber gasket around the base using your fingers or a plastic pry tool. Store the trim in a soft towel. Use the 6mm socket to loosen the nut at the base, turning counterclockwise, then lift the antenna assembly straight up to free the stud. Keep the base gasket and small screws in a container to avoid loss. Start by placing the replacement antenna base gasket in position to prevent leaks. Confirm the surface is clean and dry. Thread the antenna stud through the mounting hole, hand start the nut, then use the 6mm socket to tighten snugly to about 5 ft-lb. Avoid over-torquing to protect threads. Reinstall any trim, fold or extend the mast to the specified length, and test radio reception across AM and FM bands. Adjust antenna length or orientation for best signal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.